Okay, so last class we had discussed about how to write what is Jenkins file, and so how to create a Jenkins file, and Jenkins file is the default file name. Jenkins file is the default file name. Jenkins file is the default file name. This is the text file, and whichever script you implemented, whichever you script you implemented, that script and all we are keeping your Jenkins file. Where we have to maintain this file in our source code. In our source code. Can you see my screen?
Yes, sir.
Source code lo maintain చేస్తాం. Correct? Now interval also most of the people so they are asking so what is interval also most of the people they are asking what is that thing to factor renewable unilateral. Okay. So enter also most of the people they are asking what is Jenkins file. Simply Jenkins file is the one text file. This is the default file name. This file we are maintaining source code parallelly. Source code in our source code. So just if we click on this and so if you see here yesterday I updated, right? If you select any branch, this is the file name. This is the default file name. And so whatever script pipeline and all you implemented, that script and all we are maintaining here only. That's it. No need to do anything specifically. So script area also it will work, but real time most of the cases we are maintaining here only. We are maintaining here only. Okay. And so last class we discussed very important how to run stage parallelly. How to run stage parallelly. So interview also most of the people they are asking if you want to run any stages, some stages parallelly. So that case there is a one tag is there. What is the tag name? I hope at the last we disconnected. Let me reiterate. So there is a parallel. What is the tag name? Parallel. Very important. Interview also most of the people they are asking. So most of the people they are asking. Now observe here. So this is the stage. I given one stage name, common name. For example, in test, I want to execute, I want to run three stages parallelly. So actually, if you are not maintaining parallel, how it is running, guys? One by one only, right? So first it will run this stage, first it will run build stage, and so unit test stage, and also now integration test stage, now automation test stage. So like this it will run, right? So like that it is running, like that it will run. But if you want to run parallelly, if you want to run parallelly, this is the very important interview also most of the people they are asked. So how to run our stages parallelly? Can you run stage parallelly? Yes, sir. If you want to, we can run your stages parallelly. What is the tag name, guys? Parallel. So we need to use parallel, and we can add many stages under this parallel. See here, added three stages. One stage for unit test cases, one stage for integration test cases, one stage for automation test cases. Now these three stages running, how it will run sequentially or parallelly? Parallel,
Parallel.
parallel it
Parallel.
is running. So we have to remember this tag. They are expecting whether you know this tag or not. Parallel. Under this parallel, we can add which are the stages you want to run parallelly. So those and all we can add. Remaining story same only. No need to do anything. Now see here, this is a individual stage, right? It is executing separately. And first also there is a one stage. It is also executed independently. Now these stages under the parallel, these three stages running parallel at a time, these three stages running parallel at a time. Already last class I shown. Let me open. Now see here, if you go to here, if you go to here, this is a parallel. Now apply save. If we click on build now, if we click on build now, if we click on build now, so now see here this build is succeeded. Now go to console output. Now go to console output. Now observe here unit test, integration test, automation test. these three stages running. How it is running? Parallelly. How it see here? Parallel. So these three are running at a time parallelly. Now got it, guys? Anyone any doubt here? Very very important interview. Most of the people they are asking. So how to run our stages parallelly? What is the tag name? Parallel. Okay. Now there is one more. Yesterday also I discussed, right? Try catch. So suppose try catch. If you go here, this is a job name. There is some problem on my stage. If this stage is try catch. Now see here. So if you go here, here I written four stages. See here, this is the stage. This is the one stage, deployment stage, and so this is the test stage, and this is the deployment. This is the development stage. This is the test stage. This is the deployment stage. Now, so if you observe here, now if you observe here, I'm deleting entire these things. Control X. Control Z. This is observe here. Stage stress. Okay. Now try catch. Okay. Now I am deleting and it is executing up to this. Okay. X. Okay. Now if you see here, here also I am writing echo welcome to deployment, development or deployment, whatever you want. This is the development. This is the development. Now everything working fine. There is no problem. Very very important. Interview also many people they are asking this question. Now if I run this job, if I run this job, now it is working fine. There is no problem. Three stages are passing. See here, development stage, testing stage, deployment stage. Now just assume, so there is some problem on particular stage. Just assume if you go here, this is right. Here I am using so sh command. Sh means anyway it is failing, right? Why it is failing? I am calling sh. So my Jenkins server Windows, right? We have to call
Yes,
bat.
sir. Linux.
But now I call a Linux command. Anyway, this stage will fail. Obviously, usually this stage will fail. If this stage will fail, and so what about these two stages? Do we have any problem here? No, right? Now got it. Now we have total three stages. Each stage lo problem undi. Now anyway, this stage will fail. If this stage will fail, what about these two stages? It will run or it will also fail. In this case, now see here, apply, save. Usually, if this stage will fail, automatically remaining two stages also it will fail. Now observe here, నాకు problem ఎక్కడుంది? So first stage only. Now anyway this stage will fail. But these two stages there is no problem. But automatically these two stages also failed. Now got it? అర్థమవుతుందా శ్రీనర్ గారు?
Yeah, అర్థమైంది.
So
Yes,
now
sir.
problem, where is problem here? Only here is the problem. Now these two stages I don't have any problem. Everything working fine. But how to pass it? How to execute? This is the default behavior. So if first stage is fail, by default other stage also it will fail. I don't want like that. Only fail in ఇది కదా నాకు. So దీన్ని మాత్రం fail చేయాలి. Remaining these two I need to execute. I hope you got it right.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now how to make it? So how to handle? So there is a one option, try and catch. In Java also we are using, any language we are using try catch. Now so here there is a one tag, script tag, guys. There is a one tag script. Under the script there is a try and there is a catch. So this and all are based on your requirement, whatever you want, so we can use it. So this is the script. Under the script try, under the script try catch. So if some problematic code and all, mostly we are writing here. if any code is problematic. So mostly in all stages we are using try catch. Even if something goes wrong, if this stage is fail, there is no problem. There is no problem. Now see here, current build dot result. Here I am using what is this? Failed. Mark as build as failed. Mark as build as failed. Suppose, so right now I have three stages. Right now I have three stages. If this stage is fail, the entire build also, here I given one command, current build dot result. So current build dot results, what you want to do, whether you want pass or whether you want fail. Now I given failed. Now I given failed. Okay. Now this is the code. Now I given sh command. Whatever you want, we can use it. Okay. Anyway, it is fail. Try catch. Just I given some code and all. Whatever you want for. I'll come to stay. Welcome to script, right? Script stage. Just I given something. Anyway, I call it sh. 100% it will fail. You know why it is failing and all. You know. Now, if this stage is fail, now it won't. What is it is saying here? I given only handle the exception. See here, this is the try catch exception E. This is the command, guys. If anyone know Java, C, .NET, they can easily understand what is try, what is catch. So some problematic code and all we are writing under the try catch. So what is the error? I am printing. If you want to print that error, this is the one class, default class exception E, and so we can print E dot get message. E dot get message. What is the problem and all we can print it. What is this line? See here, current build dot result failed. Mark the build as failed, and so you can perform the additional error handling. If you want to, we can write whatever you want. We can write here also. So this is a command. We have to remember only script and try catch. Interview also most of the people they are asking. So there is a problem. If my one stage is failed, what about other stage? How to handle that failed script and all? Okay. Now I given script try catch. Now even this build is failed. Whether other stages are running or not, check it. See here, build now. If you use build now see here. If you go here, if you go to console, so first stage is printing or not? So one stage failed. This is a failed. One stage only failed. Deployment stage only failed. There is an exception occurred. Cannot run program. Nope in directory. So there is a problem. sh command we call it. That is a problem. But what about other? So welcome to testing. Welcome to deployment. And final. What is the final build result, guys? Failure or success? Final build result.
Failure. Failure.
Why it is showing fail? One stage
First
failed,
stage
right?
is, yeah.
One stage failed. I make it as failed. Now one more scenario. Last time interview also they asked. Even one stage is failed. I want to make as my 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 build is pass. If see here, here one stage failed. One stage fail in nako. Even one stage fail. I want to make it as pass success. So that case, what we need to do? So in this command we have to update this line. See here, current build dot result. I given failed, right? I don't want this line related to entire build result. See here, mark the build as failed. I don't want failed. I want to make it as success. Now got it? Success. So this is the pass, not failed state. I want to make it as success or pass. Okay. Now see here, in this case, how it will work. See here, what is the tag? What is the command, guys? Current build result. Whatever you want, we can set it. Whether you want to pass, whether you want to fail. Now build now. Earlier it is failed, right? See, earlier it is failed. Now see here it is passed. అర్థమవుతుందా కాన్సెప్ట్? నా ఎంటైర్ బిల్డ్ రిజల్ట్ ని నువ్వు
అర్థమైంది.
పాస్ చేయాలన్నా ఫెయిల్ చేయాలన్నా వీ కెన్ యూజ్. ఈవెన్ ది స్టేజ్ ఫెయిల్డ్, ఈవెన్ దో వన్ స్టేజ్ ఫెయిల్డ్, the build result I make it as pass success. Clear, Sudhir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now like this we can handle. Now see here, even your one stage failed. Now here we need to understand, so very very important, two one is parallel, one is parallel, how to run stages parallel, and the second one is how to handle try catch, how to configure try catch, some problematic stage and all. But real time mostly we are using try catch. So for example, this is a problematic, this is the problem, so this stage also problem. Now how to, now this is also problem, apply save. Now see here, that build, first build is success, second build will fail. Even it is fail, see here, this is 2 are passed, right? Now how to handle this situation, which code I need to add?
Try catch.
Try
Try catch,
catch it.
that's it, very simple. Try catch, try catch. So very very important nowadays, most
Where
of the
to
people,
where to use this type of scenarios? For
every
example,
stage we are using real time, not only particular stage.
yeah, each and every
Maybe
stage
we
should
don't know, right?
succeed.
We
Yeah.
don't know, right? Where the problem. So
Okay. Okay.
correct, అర్థమవుతుందా?
Mm.
But real time we are
Okay.
maintaining every stage try catch.
Okay. Okay.
Now see here, stage, now try, now this is syntax, only two lines, catch.
Okay.
So
If we
under this
use this
catch,
one, how can we know whether in which section it was failure? Last after completion of this build,
build only we
e-
can find it. Now
yeah,
see here, if you go to console output, we
console
can know,
output.
right?
Yeah, yeah,
Console output we can find it. Which
yeah,
stage it is failing? Deployment stage, sorry,
yeah.
development stage.
Okay.
ఏ స్టేజ్లో ఫెయిల్ అవుతుంది ఇది? డెవలప్మెంట్ స్టేజ్లో ఫెయిల్ అవుతా ఉంది.
Uh,
టెస్టింగ్ స్టేజ్ పాస్ అయింది. సో నౌ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ హియర్, డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఆల్సో పాస్. ఈవెన్ ఇఫ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫెయిల్డ్, ఐ మేక్ ఇట్ యాజ్ పాస్. అది ఫెయిల్ అని నేను చేశాను, సక్సెస్ పెట్టాను.
pass. Yes.
మై బిల్డ్ అనేది సక్సెస్ లాగా చూపించాలి, దట్స్ ఇట్.
Okay. Okay.
సో
Mm.
కరెంట్ బిల్డ్ డాట్, వాట్ ఈస్ ద వాట్ ఈస్ దట్ కోడ్? కరెంట్ బిల్డ్ డాట్, కరెంట్ బిల్డ్ డాట్, కరెంట్ బిల్డ్ డాట్ రిజల్ట్ ఈక్వల్ టు
Result
సక్సెస్ ఆర్ ఫెయిల్.
success. Yes. Right.
సో బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఫెయిల్డ్ ఓన్లీ, బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఫెయిల్. ఓకే,
Okay.
వాంటెడ్గా నేనేం చేశాను, సక్సెస్ చేశాను.
Uh,
ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫెయిల్డ్ ఓన్లీ, నాట్ సక్సెస్. దిస్ ఈజ్ ఫెయిల్యూర్, ఫెయిల్యూర్ బిల్డ్.
if we show like that, uh, already it is failed. Na? What is the use of showing success?
వాళ్ళకి ఏం చేయాలి, టెస్ట్ క్లాస్లో రిజల్ట్ పాస్ ఆ ఫెయిల్ చూపించాలి. మొన్న ఒకడు
Okay.
అడిగాడు.
Uh,
సో
uh,
ఈవెన్ ఒక స్టేజ్ ఫెయిల్ అయినా
uh,
వాళ్ళకి ఫైనల్ బిల్డ్ ఏం రావాలి,
Success and రావాలి.
సక్సెస్ అని రావాలి. ఎక్కడ హ్యాండిల్
Okay.
చేస్తావు, హౌ కెన్ యూ హ్యాండిల్? యాక్చువల్గా ఎంటైర్ బిల్డ్ మన ఫెయిల్ వచ్చింది అనుకో,
Uh,
డెవలపర్ ఏం చేస్తాడు, అందరూ ఓహో బిల్డ్ ఫెయిల్ అయిపోయిందని చూస్తారు కదా. Maybe this is the test related build, this is the test related stage. Even one or two test cases fail, no problem.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
but I want to make it as entire build pass,
Success. Yeah.
success. So what
Mm.
is tag? Current build dot,
Try
current build dot,
build
this
that
is the
success.
current
Yeah.
build dot. So if you go here, parallel, what is try catch, right? Click on this, go to configuration, go to pipeline, current build dot result. అంటే
Yes. Okay.
ఫైనల్ ఈ కరెంట్ బిల్ని రిజల్ట్ ఏం నువ్వు సక్సెస్ పెట్టాలా ఫెయిల్ పెట్టాలా.
Fail. Okay. Okay.
సో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దిస్ ఇట్ విల్ కమ్ అవుట్పుట్.
Mhm. Okay.
బట్ వేర్ ఎవర్, సో రియల్ టైమ్ ఎవ్రీ ఎవ్రీ
Every
స్టేజ్
stage, each
వీఆర్
and every
యూజింగ్,
stage
సో వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ట్రై
we are
క్యాచ్.
using.
ట్రై
Okay.
క్యాచ్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద సింటాక్స్, దిస్ ఈస్ ద బెస్ట్ ప్రాక్టీస్. వీ డోంట్ నో రైట్ వేర్ ద ప్రాబ్లమ్ విల్ కమ్. సో బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఎవ్రీ స్టేజ్ వీఆర్ యూజింగ్ ట్రై క్యాచ్. ఇంతవరకు మనకు తెలియదు కాబట్టి వాడలేదు. నౌ వీ నో రైట్, నౌ వీ హ్యావ్ టు
Yeah.
add every stage, so we need to add it, so we need to add a try catch, that's it. we need to add try catch. If you know, that is very simple only, nothing, we need to extra add to catch, that's it. So exception, this is the default exception class name, exception, and they are printing e dot get message means whatever error we are getting, that method we are printing here, echo statement. See here, echo an exception occurred, where occurred, automatically it will print. Now see here, like this, every stage we have to use try catch. So what is the tag name? Under the script only, where we need to add under the script, and we have to add try catch. Now got it? సో మనకి ఇంతవరకు తెలియదు కాబట్టి మనం వాడలేదు. Now you know, right? Now every stage we have to add try catch. This is the best practice. Real time 100% we are using try catch every stage. I hope you got it, right? Clear?
Yeah.
So now these are the very important. Okay, how to run parallelly, and how to handle errors, how to handle errors, try catch, how to use, how to handle, how to add try catch in our script. So under the script try catch, under the script try catch. Okay, now sometimes they are using a when condition also, when condition. So Jenkins pipeline. So sometimes they are using pipeline syntax when. Now when condition also. When means, so now if you see here, now see here, some cases they want to deploy different way. Stage equal to, they given some name. When branch equal to production only, I want to execute these steps. Now got it? వాళ్ళకి పర్టికులర్ బ్రాంచ్, ఇప్పుడు డెవలప్మెంట్ బ్రాంచ్ అయితే నాకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి స్టేజ్, అదర్వైజ్ దే డోంట్ వాంట్ టు రన్. నౌ క్లియర్? వెన్ కండిషన్ అర్థమవుతుందా? నౌ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్, if anywhere whatever you want, for example, so this is the build stage and this is the, for example, deployment stage. ఇక్కడ ఏం చేస్తాను నేను, when branch, when branch equal to production only, we have to deploy. Now got it? See here, when condition, how to use. When condition means we are checking one condition. When branch equal to production only, I have to deploy that code. Clear, Sudhir?
Yes, sir.
When condition. So actually there is many things available here, and this is official document, so we can check it here. See here, so how to run parameters, how to have environment variables, how to declare, how to trigger job, how to run cron jobs, and so there is many ways we can do it, whatever we want. So this is also when condition. When means if you match a particular something, I want to trigger, otherwise I don't want. Now see here, this is the trigger. When do you want to trigger? You know, right? There is a trigger tag, cron, generally poll SCM. You know, right? Build periodically, poll SCM. I hope you know, right?
Yeah.
So how to configure in our pipeline? Triggers. So now manually you know, but how to do here? Triggers. What is the tag name? Triggers. See here, cron. Here we need to extra add cron. Remaining same only. H or directly I am using same thing. Star space star space star space star. Now got it? /2. What is this meaning? I hope everyone know. What is this meaning? Every 2 minutes. Every 2 minutes it will trigger. అర్థమవుతుందా? So like this we can add it. like this, we can add it wherever we want. This is before, where you need to add before the stages, here, before the stages. Now see here, not here. I want to run my script right here. Where is my pipeline? Here. Before the stage, we need to add it. Before the stage, we need to add it. See here, apply. Or if you use star, what is star? Every minute. You know, right? Apply, star. Now observe here. This is the 720. Okay, now 29. Okay, now leave it. Automatically it will trigger one more build after 1 minute. Now see here how to run and all. This is the triggers. So if you want to run cron jobs, see here. If you want to configure poll SCM, this is I didn't use any poll SCM. If you use poll SCM, this is the way. What is difference between poll SCM and build periodically? ఆల్రెడీ మనం చూసాం కదా, పోల్ SCM కి బిల్డ్
build
periodically.
build periodically. It won't depend on source. That means
Source code trigger
source code.
any
Yeah,
changes. Now
yeah.
suppose if you want to
Bi-
configure poll SCM, this is the syntax.
Yes, sir.
If you want to configure poll SCM,
Yes.
manually you know how to configure
Yeah.
poll SCM, but
Okay.
how to add in script level, there is one tag
Trigger.
triggers and
Triggers.
poll SCM
Okay.
and poll SCM
Policy.
and poll SCM and poll SCM. What is this? Where is strike catch, right? 20 31 already added 30, right? It is saved or not properly, or one time you build it, automatically it will trigger next time. This is 31st. Now it will start with 32. So same, if you want to add a poll SCM, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. So enter also one or two people they asked, so that's what I am iterating. So if you use under this, if you use poll SCM, that is the poll SCM. If you are not using poll SCM, that is the build periodically. Now got it? ఇక్కడ ఇఫ్ యూ సీ అబ్జర్వ్ హియర్ పోల్ SCM, మీరు పోల్ SCM పెడితే ఇది మామూలు హౌ యూ కాన్ఫిగర్ పోల్ SCM, సేమ్ కాన్సెప్ట్. ఇఫ్ యూ ఆర్ నాట్ కాన్ఫిగర్ పోల్ SCM, that is the normal build poll SCM, right? Now see here, triggers poll SCM and remaining story same only. Now clear? Accept the cron style string to define regular interval which Jenkins should check the new source code changes. If any new changes exist, the pipeline will be re-trigger. Now got it? Same only. Script level lo ela use cheyali, how to add in our script level. So how to add in our script level? Go to configuration, go to pipeline, and here we need to add triggers. This is same only, TRA triggers. Under triggers we have to use poll SCM, poll SCM, that's it. And remaining story same only. So where you need to use, this is the poll SCM. Now see here, poll SCM directly also we can use, and so we can add single line also. If you want to understand clearly, this is the triggers poll SCM, and here we can give star star star. They given something, I don't want like that. Now got it? That's it. Clear, Srinath garu? Poll SCM. If
Clear.
anyone is asking, so in pipeline how to configure poll SCM? Only we have to
By
remember
using triggers.
triggers, triggers
Triggers.
under
Yeah.
poll SCM. If you
Yeah.
are not using poll SCM, that is the regular way. If you are not using cron, we have to use cron. So if you want to specifically poll SCM, we need to use poll SCM, or else we can use cron. That's it. Regular interval. See, accept the cron style string define the regular interval. It is running a regular interval. I don't want regular interval. Whenever new changes comes, so that time only I want to trigger. That case we need to use poll SCM. Clear?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
దిస్ ఇస్ వెరీ సింపుల్.
ఇది
ఓకే.
దీనికి ఏదైనా ఇది ఉందండి, అంటే ట్రిగ్గర్స్ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తారు, పోలీస్ ఎక్కడ యూజ్ చేస్తారని ఏమన్నా?
ఇప్పుడు పోల్ ఎస్ఎం అనేది నీకు తెలియదు, ఇప్పుడు మీరే కదా చెప్పినారు ఇఫ్ ఎనీ న్యూ చేంజెస్.
కరెక్టే. అంటే పర్టికులర్గా పలానా కాన్సెప్ట్కు ఇది ట్రిగ్గర్స్ యూజ్ చేస్తారు, పలానా కాన్సెప్ట్కు పోలీస్
ట్రిగ్గర్స్ అనేది
ఏమి
ఒక
యూజ్
ట్యాగ్.
చేయాలి నేను.
ట్రిగ్గర్
ఓకే.
ట్రిగ్గర్ అనేది ఒక
ట్రిగ్గర్స్
ట్యాగ్, ఇది ఒక సింటాక్స్
కరెక్టే.
ఇది.
నాకు
సో
అర్థమైంది, అది అర్థమైంది. ట్రిగ్గర్స్ పోలీస్ ఏం అనేది సింటాక్స్, అది కంపల్సరీ. అంటే ఈ ట్రిగ్గర్స్ యూజ్ చేసామంటే మనం అంటే బిల్స్ ఎక్కువ అవుతాయి, అన్నెసరీ బిల్స్. ఈ దెర్ ఈజ్ నో
అవును,
చేంజ్ ఇన్
అందుకే
ఎస్సిఎం ఆల్సో.
దీని 99% రియల్ టైం ఇది వాడతాం ఇది.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఎందుకంటే డెవలపర్ పుష్ చేస్తేనే యూ వాంట్ టు ట్రిగ్గర్ ద బిల్డ్,
ఓకే.
అదర్వైజ్ వీ డోంట్ వాంట్. ఇది
ఓకే.
ఎప్పుడు వాడతాము? ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నీకు కొన్ని టెస్ట్ కేసెస్ ఉన్నాయి,
ఓకే.
ఎవ్రీ సాటర్డే సండేనే నాకు ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి, ఎవ్రీ సాటర్డేనే ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి.
ఓకే.
అర్థమైందా? రిమైనింగ్ డేస్ ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్. సో దట్ కేస్ వీ కెన్ గో క్రాన్ జాబ్.
ఓకే.
ఇక్కడ మనకు తెలుసు కదా, అవర్స్, మినిట్స్, డే ఆఫ్ మంత్, డే ఆఫ్ వీక్.
ఓకే.
ఇప్పుడు నాకు ఇక్కడ ఏం పెడతారు మీరు? ఓన్లీ 6 పెట్టేశారు అనుకో, ఎప్పుడు రన్ అవుతుంది అది? ఓన్లీ సాటర్డే
ఓన్లీ
మాత్రమే రన్
సాటర్డే
అవుతుంది,
మాత్రమే.
సాటర్డేనే
ఓకే.
రన్ అవుతుంది.
ఓకే.
6 పెట్టేస్తారు అంటే ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ ఇక్కడ వీడు ఏం
1
చెప్పాడు,
to 5
మండే
అని.
నుంచి 1 to 5 ఇచ్చినాడు వీడు.
అవును.
ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ 1 to 5, ఐ వాంట్
ఓకే.
ఓన్లీ సాటర్డే.
సాటర్డే.
అప్పుడు మీరు క్రాన్ జాబ్ వాడచ్చు.
ఓకే.
దట్స్ ఇట్.
ఓకే.
అనేది అలా కాదు. ఇఫ్ సో నాకేం కావాలి, ఎనీ న్యూ చేంజెస్ వస్తేనే బిల్డ్ ట్రిగ్గర్ అవ్వాలి.
ఓకే.
సో పోలేసియం. ఈ రెండు కాన్సెప్ట్లు మాన్యువల్గా మనకు తెలుసు ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలనేది. స్క్రిప్ట్ లెవెల్ ఎలా యూజ్ చేయాలి? క్రాన్, పోలేసియం, క్రాన్, పోలేసియం. ఇక్కడ ఇంకా చాలా ఉంటాయి, మామూలుగా ఇంటర్వ్యూలో అడిగాడు కాబట్టి ఇవన్నీ జస్ట్
ఓకే.
చూపిస్తున్నా. సో లాస్ట్ టైం కూడా ఒకటి అడిగాడు, వెన్ ఎప్పుడు వాడతాము, వెన్ ఇక్కడే ఉంది చూడు, అన్ని ఎక్కడ ఇన్పుట్. ఇన్పుట్ అంటే ఏం లేదు మీకు. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇది కూడా ఒకటి అడిగాడు, సి హియర్ ఇన్పుట్. ఇన్పుట్ అనేది ఎలా వాడాలంటే, ఇన్పుట్ ఇప్పుడు నేను జస్ట్ అజ్యూమ్ దిస్ ఈజ్ మై బిల్డ్, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై బిల్డ్, ఓకే, దిస్ ఈజ్ మై ఆల్రెడీ దిస్ ఈజ్ మై పైప్ లైన్, కరెక్ట్? సో దిస్ ఈజ్ మై పైప్ లైన్. ఈ నేను బిల్డ్, సో ఇప్పుడు నేను దీన్ని జస్ట్ బిల్డ్ కొట్టాను అనుకో, ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ ట్రిగ్గర్ దిస్ బిల్డ్ ఇమీడియట్లీ. నౌ ఇట్ విల్ గో టు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మేనేజర్ అప్రూవల్. నాకు ఎక్కడికి వెళ్ళాలి? మేనేజర్ అప్రూవల్ కానీ ఓడ్ అప్రూవ్ అని కొడితే బిల్డ్ ట్రిగ్గర్ అవ్వాలి.
ఓకే. ఓకే.
ఓడ్ రిజెక్ట్ కొడితే రిజెక్ట్ అయిపోవాలి.
ఓకే.
ఐ డోంట్ వాంట్ లైక్ దట్. ఓకే. సో ఆ కేసులో మనం ఏం చేస్తామా, సో దీన్ని వాడుకుంటాం అనమాట. ఇన్పుట్ అనేది ఒక ఇది ఉంది మనకి, ఏముంది? ఇన్పుట్ అనేది ఇన్పుట్ యూస్ చేసి సింటాక్స్. సో ఆ ఇన్పుట్ అనేది యూస్ చేసి మనం డైరెక్ట్గా కాల్ చేసుకోవచ్చు, ఇక్కడ కావాలంటే అక్కడ.
ఓకే.
ఓకేనా? సో ఒక స్టేజ్లో మనం ఏం చేయాలి, జస్ట్ ఇన్పుట్ అనే ట్యాగ్ వాడాలి, దట్స్ ఇట్. నేను చూడండి జస్ట్ ఇప్పుడు నాకు జస్ట్ సేమ్ జాబ్ తీసుకున్నాను. నా గో టు హియర్. ఇప్పుడు నేను జస్ట్ బిల్డ్ కొడితే నో ప్రాబ్లం, ఆటోమేటిక్లీ ఇట్ విల్ ట్రిగ్గర్ ద బిల్డ్, కరెక్ట్? ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫెయిల్ ఆర్ పాస్, నో ప్రాబ్లం. ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు మేక్ ఇట్ ఎస్ పాస్, విచ్ స్టేజ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఫెయిలింగ్, గో టు హియర్. ఎక్కడ ఇది ఫెయిల్ అయ్యేది? పాస్ చేద్దాం. ఇక్కడ సంథింగ్ మిస్ అయిపోయింది, అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ టోకన్, లైన్ నెంబర్ 56. కాపీ పేస్ట్ చేసుకుంటాం, ఎర్రర్. గో టు హియర్, లైన్ నెంబర్ 56. గో టు లైన్ నెంబర్ 56, మేబీ ఇది ఎక్స్ట్రానేమో. ఓకే, నౌ గో టు హియర్, అప్లై, సేవ్, అన్ఎక్స్పెక్టెడ్ బిల్ ఇట్ till it is paid. A line unexpected section deployment, maybe syntax problem I modified, right? We'll see. ఎక్కడ మోడిఫై చేసాం? స్క్రిప్ట్ హియర్, అండర్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్, ఇది ఇక్కడ స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఇది ఇక్కడికి ఎండ్ అయిపోయింది, ఇది టోటల్ ఒకటి ఖచ్చితంగా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, నా ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం, ఇది స్టార్ట్ అయింది, ఇది ఎక్కువ, ఇది ఎండ్ అయింది, ఇది స్క్రిప్ట్, ఇది స్టేజ్, ఇది ఎక్స్ట్రా, ఇది స్టేజ్. డిప్లాయ్ ఎక్స్ట్రా ఒకటి ఇది ఉంది మనకి. సంథింగ్ గోస్ రాంగ్. నౌ సీ హియర్.
మార్కొండ దాని డబుల్ క్లిక్ కర్లీ బ్రేస్ మీద కర్సర్ క్లిక్ చేయి, ఆటోమేటిక్గా మనకు తెలుస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ
డిప్లాయ్మెంట్ లైన్ నెంబర్
కోడ్లోకి వెళ్ళి చెప్తా.
కాన్ఫిగర్
పైప్ లైన్, నీకు ఎక్కడ డౌట్ ఉందో ఆడికి వెళ్ళు, స్టార్టింగ్ స్టేజ్ దగ్గరికి వెళ్ళు, అట్లా క్లిక్ చేయి, నీకు కరెక్ట్గా తెలిసిపోతుంది.
ఇది వెళ్ళింది, ఇది స్టేజ్, ఇక్కడ రావాలి, ఇది లాస్ట్, ఇది ప్యారల్, ఇది మెయిన్ క్లోజింగ్. ఇది ఇటు సరిపోయింది.
ఆడ కూడా క్లిక్ చేయి, ఒక్కో దాని మీద క్లిక్ చేస్తారో నీకు ఆటోమేటిక్ తెలిసిపోతుంది.
సరిపోయింది.
కొంచెం పైకి లాగి క్లిక్ చేస్తాను.
ఎంటైర్ అంటే
నాటి సరే
ఇక్కడ ప్రాబ్లం. ఇది ఎండ్ అయిపోయింది, ఇది అవుట్లో ఉంది, స్టేజెస్ కదా, ఇది లోపల కదా ఉండాలి. ఇది సో దీన్ని తీసుకెళ్ళి కంట్రోల్ ఎక్స్ దీంట్లో పెట్టాలి. ఓకే,
ఇంకోటి ఎక్స్ట్రా ఉన్నట్టు చివర్లో
ఇది మెయిన్ కదా,
ఏదో సేవ్ చేయాలి సార్, అప్లై చేసి తెలుస్తుంది.
క్లోజ్ అయినా వెయిట్. ఇప్పుడు మాడిఫై చేసాను, అదే ఎక్కడ మిస్ అయినది. ఇంకా బయటలోనే ఉంది. సరే, నేను రిమూవ్ చేస్తుందా. ఓకే, స్టేజ్ సెట్, అప్లై సెట్, బిల్. ఓకే, సంథింగ్ మిస్సింగ్. స్టెప్స్ లైన్ నెంబర్ 27. ఏం మిస్ అయింది? ఎనీథింగ్? లైన్ నెంబర్ 27లో ప్రాబ్లం. స్క్రిప్ట్, స్టేజ్, టెస్టింగ్, స్క్రిప్ట్.
ఆ స్టెప్స్ లో స్టేట్మెంట్ లేదు, స్టేట్మెంట్ లేకపోతే ఒప్పుకోదు, ఎంటీ స్టేట్మెంట్ ఓంట్ రన్.
ఓకే, నౌ అప్లై సెట్, నౌ బిల్. Anyway, it is failed, right? No problem, it is running as are failing. So now input, right? So now I'm going to add one more stage, input stage. Go to configure, go to pipeline, and so I'm going to add one more stage. I started here, stage started here, stage ended here. So curly base యాడ్ ఉంది, అయినా వర్క్ అవుతున్నది. ఇది యాడ్ ఉందా? Okay, after this stage I am going to one more stage, input, one more stage. So one more stage I need to any name stage, and I am giving stage name is approval. We can give just okay, set approval. I given so set approval. I need to approval. If we click approve only, I want to trigger the bill, otherwise I don't want. So that case, so we can use. Now if you want to configure approvals and all, so directly steps, under the steps there is a one input. We need to give input. whatever you want, we can use. Please approve the process with deployment. Please, whatever you want, please approve the process deployment or anything, whatever for your understanding purpose. Okay. Stage set. This is the stage name and the steps same. Input, apply, save. Now click on build now. Now if you click on build now, where is this? 18, 20, 44. Where is approve? Anything missing? We can see approve process, change, pipeline. Just I'm giving success whether it is. This is not a problem. Just I make it as a success. It is every time fail, right? I want to see success. Is this approver and input added message input as okay submitter license. Okay, so immediately it is running, right? Let me add some weight also. Weight also. So now here they given different. I'm going to give weight also. Go to here, configuration, pipeline. Now, so I am going to add so one more option also. Options. There is one more options. There is one more options. Under this option, I have to wait some particular time. Time out. I have to wait some particular time period. Okay. This is the syntax. Just we can Google it. So time. So time colon. We have to give. So until so unit. How many units you want to? So I want to wait 1 minute. Okay. And what is the spelling? Minutes. Minute spelling correct only, right? 1 minute. Okay. 1 minute. Anything. Time out options correct only. Time out options. Time out. And so time only 1 minute. And so 1 minute. And so unit equal to minutes only. Per case. Okay. Minutes only. Apply. Save. Actually, it will save, approve, and go to here, go to console output. So, service, some syntax error. What is this? Stage. What is this? Undefined section. Line number 9. Go to here, line number 9. Stage approval. Sorry. Stage approval started here, ended here, started here, ended here. 7, right? P7 approve. Bill now. Undefined section. Or else, wait, I will create a new one. Approve. Stage. Approve stage. Pipeline. Okay. And pipeline. pipeline agent any next stages next stage. Okay, under the stage whatever you want so we can write it the steps. Okay, just I give one also test echo welcome test. I give one test and all. Apply. It is working fine. Okay, there is some syntax errors and all. What is this? Here also missing end of the pipeline. Configure pipeline. What it is missing here? Pipe PAP, right? Pipeline. Okay, staging.
PI, sir. So, sir, PAP, sir.
PAP, sorry. PAP pipeline apply stage. Bill now. Now it is passed. Till it is failing. Stage unknown stage section steps STP typo error. Sorry. So there is typo error. STPS, right? Steps. Okay, stage steps. Now bill now. Now it is passed. Now it is passed. Now I'm going to add one more stage. Okay. Now same. Copy this one and so there is a deploy. Deploy. Okay. Welcome to so deploy. Apply. Save. Now bill now. Now it is also passed. Okay. Two. Now I'm going to add so approve. So I'm using one more stage. I'm going to use one more stage. I am going to use same one more stage. So stage is approve. PROV approve. And so this is the okay PROV approve. Now I'm going to add so I'm going to add something. I'm going to add something. So now it is build or not. Okay. Okay. Approve also run. Now I'm going to update it. Now how to update? So go to here, under here, under here, under here, under here. There is a input. Input. Okay. So please, whatever you want, please approve it. Please approve the build. Just I given something. Apply. Save. Build now. Build now. Now see here. If we see here, build now. Now if you go here, now see here, please approve the build. Please approve the build. If I click proceed means it will continue. If you don't want, we can click about. Now got it, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now see here, I'm click on proceed. I'm click on proceed. If you proceed only, it will continue. See here, build is success. If you don't want, you can so reject also. If you want to, we can reject also. So click on build now. I don't want continue. I don't want continue. So here it is running and it is waiting up to. So we can use one more option also. I don't want to see here. Please approve the build. So click here about. I don't want. See failed. So rejected by administrator. I don't want proceed it. I don't want proceed it. Now got it. Now if you want to, we can add timing also. How many second, how many minutes we have to wait. So that and all also we can add here. Go to configuration section. Go to pipeline. Under this stage, if you want to, we can add so options. Options, how many minutes you have to wait. Options. So under this options, here we can add a timeout. Here we can add a timeout, and so time equal to 1 minute. Unit, unit. So we can add a unit also. Unit colon minutes, 1 minutes. Okay, so that's it. So we can add, if you want to wait some time, and so this is the options timeout, and so we can, that's it, apply, save. Now bill. Now there is some syntax problem. What is timeout unit? What is this? Time out, right? Any typo error? I think minutes spelling wrong, right? What is this
MUN.
type? Mm, what is the minutes, right? MINU, right? Correct.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
My unit minutes, apply, save. Now bill. Now see here, same, it will wait, so 1 minute also, it will wait, so 1 minute also, we can check it. So whether you want to proceed or you want to cancel, whether you want to proceed or whether, see here also we can see, here also we can see. Now see here, please approve the build, and do you want to proceed or do you want to, see here about, please approve the build. If you want, we can proceed it, or else we can reject it. Now build is succeeded. Now if we click on build now, and so now it is, see, I don't want, so it will show 1 minute, and if you want to, we can click on about also. Now build will cancel, build is cancelled, aborted. So like this, whatever based on our requirement, we can add it. So based on requirement, we can add it. So what is the tag? Input. What is this? Input. And whatever you want, we can pass it simply. Whatever you want, we can pass. So see here, they passed message, should be continue, or click OK. Yes, it should be submitted, alias, Bob, parameters also. So string name, default, Mr. Jenkins, who is, we can add same thing also. It is started here, it is started here, it is ended here, right? We can add same thing also. Configure pipeline, which option under the stage only, right? So input directly, next they add a steps. So now we need to add here stage. I'm using same parameters, input. Okay, input here I don't want, here I am going right to echo statement, just echo. So whatever you want, just we need to practice. So if you practice only, we'll get clarity. Otherwise, this is, right? So very difficult understanding all these things. Okay. Now see here, apply, save. Everything available in document. Whatever you want, so we can do it. Whatever you want, we can do it. Now see here, should be continue person, Mr. Jenkins, or whatever you want. So DevOps, I can type it, and so yes, it should. Okay. If you want to approve, click on approve. And who approved and all, we can see here also, who agree here, pending on Jenkins, and so this is approved, and so everything, so input requested, so approved by administrator, welcome to approve, please approve the build, and so everything we can see information here also. Now got it. So this is the input tag. What is the tag name? Input tag. So what is the tag name, guys? Input message, whatever you want. So okay, yes, it should. Submitter, alias, that is the job. Who run this job? This is the parameters. So I want to display. So that and all I passed here. Parameters. Parameters also one tag. String name they given person, and so default value they given Mr. Jenkins, and descriptions are they passed. So anyone any doubt, guys, here? Clear? Clear, Sudhir?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so like this, so whatever we want, we can add it. So whatever we want, we can add it. So interview also they asked, so that is the reason. Just I showed. So if you want to approve and all, there is a input tag. If you want to run parallelly, there is a parallel tag. If you want to handle any errors and all, try catch. Script try catch. Clear? Script to try catch. Clear, Sudhir? What, Kishore?
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yes,
So
sir.
very very important. These three questions interview also, and also real time also. Most of the cases we are using. Just practice it. Okay. So that's it from my side.